So today, we're leaving Myrtle Beach State Park. It was fun, but we gotta go someplace else. So we're going to the cow fields of Florida. Alright, so I'm cleaning up the computer area because all this stuff can't be sitting out on top of the workstation. So we have, tubs to put stuff, smaller things in. Everything goes kind of down in here where we can put stuff against it.
You're weak. Making sandwiches fun mode. So we always do a lot of school before we go, like before we travel to the next spot, because the state park has Wi-Fi, so we wanted to use their Wi-Fi instead of using some of the data plan.
Yeah,
so.
And I am the data police, and I go around. If you use data and there's Wi-Fi, you're in trouble, young lady. You understand?
Yeah,
I don't know why I'm pointing this at you. Okay, so now we're going over the bridge, over the intercoastal waterway, which is really cool.
So I'm in the RV for the Fast Lake leg, which is like going to be like 4 hours. It'll stop. So I'm just doing school, and I have Peppa.
Oh my god, that's a lot of campers.
So we just got to the Walmart parking lot where we're going to stay, just north of the Florida border in Georgia. And there's tons of RVs here parked. It's like a campground. I don't know if they allow overnight parking.
Alright, so where are we, Daddy?
We're at the Walmart RV resort, just north of Jacksonville.
We're driving in, we're like, yeah, I think they allow RVs.
Yeah.
They were just
It's like half the parking lot's filled with RVs, travel trailers, motorhome.
And now we're going to go in and show our appreciation by getting dinner.
Pizza.
Yeah, we'll buy something there.
So here we are in our camping spot.
Yeah, because we drove like 7 hours today, and then it was longer because we got in a traffic jam. So then we stopped here for the night, and then tomorrow we're gonna go the rest of the way.
Look at that.
Look, we have trees though.
We do. We have trees. It's tree lined.
We had to pay extra.
We're going to buy an extra pizza for that.
Alright, so we went to Walmart and we picked up rotisserie chicken, and Daddy is carving it for us.
I wouldn't call it that.
Daddy
We're
is
like mangling it.
mangling the meat off the bones for us.
We're 1 mile away from free orange juice. We love this part of it. You get into Florida, the official welcome center has free orange juice or grapefruit juice.
Hi.
Hello.
Orange or grapefruit?
Grapefruit, please.
Grapefruit. Do you want orange? Grapefruit. Grapefruit.
so we're almost at our destination of Zolfo Springs, Florida. We've been driving through the farm country of Florida for almost like an hour and a half now. We'll be there at Diane's cousin's place. Check it out. They're going to have cows, I think. And I think it'll be really nice to see the farm and all the property they have.
Nice driveway.